and a very happy Independence Day to all of you. My name is Tapasvi. As we all gather here to celebrate the auspicious day of 78th Independence Day of India, my heart is filled with the pride and the echo of Bal Gangadhar Tilak's slogan, "Freedom is my birthright and I shall have it." As we all know that India gained independence from 200 years of oppressive British colonial rule on August 15, 1947. This day reminds us of the sacrifices made by our brave ancestors who fight for our freedom, like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Vallabhbhai Patel, and so many members of fight for our freedom. Now I am tell about a freedom fighter among them, Alluri Sitaramaraju. Alluri Sitaramaraju was an Indian freedom fighter. He was born on July 4th, 1897. His father name is Venkata Ramaraju and his mother name is Surya Narayanamma. He earned the title of Manyam Veerudu. He participated in Indian independence movement. He was a sannyasi and a strong believer in justice. He raised his voice against the unlawful British colonial rule. He had a plenty of local people support. In 1922, he started the Rampa Rebellion movement. Alluri and his men stormed several police stations and killed many police officers. The British policers shot the Raju by tying him to a tree. When the British police officer shoot the Raju, he don't become sad. And when he going to die, he said, "Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram." This is about the Alluri Sitaramaraju. Not only Alluri Sitaramaraju, many freedom fighters have fight for our freedom. But we stand here enjoying the fruits of the struggle. Independence is not just about a flag waving high in the sky. It's about the freedom to dream, to learn, and to achieve. As students, we are all the future of our nation. Each one of us carries the responsibility of nature, our talents, and contribute to positively to society. Let us remember those who fight for our freedom and those who continue to protect it. Let's cherish the unity in our diversity and work together to make our country even stronger and braver. We celebrate today. Let's promise. Let's promise to uphold the values of peace, equality, and progresses. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram. Thank you for giving me this golden opportunity.
వెరీ గుడ్ తపస్విని, చాలా బాగా చెప్పాం ఫ్రీడమ్ గురించి.